Once again, good morning. So in first half, we completed the application of derivative of rate of measure. Now in next part, now we're going to learn the application of derivative related to approximation. So in these approximations, we are going to find approximate value of given function. Functions are four type of functions. Now in this year also we learn one more there. So five type of functions. So just types are algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions, exponential function, and logarithmic functions. Okay. So let's begin with the formula. The simple formula is there for approximation. So see what is the formula is that f of x plus h is equal to, instead of x now we will take a plus h is equal to approximate value f of a plus h into f dash of a. Okay, it is a f of a plus h into f dash of a. It is a simple formula. This formula will help us to write to find approximate value of function. Okay, so let's begin with one by one example. So first example is find approximate value of following function. First function, under root 8.95. So now we have to find approximate value of 8.95. Now it is a root. So first always we have to understand what is a function first. So function means what? The value, instead of value, what will be the remaining part, that is called as a function. So here the value is 8.95. So instead of that, root is a function. Okay. So first always you have to start with writing function. So here write down, let f of x is equal to what? Root. Now we take x as a variable. So value of x is 8.95. So we will get function under root x. So we will get function under root x. Okay. Once you got the function, start finding first derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. So we will get f dash of x is equal to d dx of root of x. The root of x formula is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now next thing, we have to write that original value of x. So here x is equal to 8.95. Now 8.95, we have to check the value closest to the root which we know. We have to check this value closest to the number which root we know. So 8.95 is closest to the 9, and root of 9 we know that. Have you get it? So 8.95 is value closest to the 9. So we try to write this value 8.95 in terms of 9. So it can be written as 9 minus 0.05. 9 minus 0.05. So we will get 8.95. So is equal to 9 plus minus of 0.05. Okay. So we are converting value of x in terms of a plus h. We are converting value of x in terms of a plus h. So therefore a is equal to 9 and h is equal to minus of 0.05. Okay. Have you get it? Now start with finding value respect to formula. So respect to formula, we have to find f of a. So f of a means f of x, we know that is root x. So x replaced with a, you will get root a. But value of a is 9, so it is a root 9. And root 9 is equal to 3. Similar way, f dash of a, or f dash of x is 1 upon 2 root x. So f dash of a you will get 1 upon 2 root a. And value of a is 9. So we will get 1 upon 2 into root 9. So it is 1 upon 2 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 6. So we get value of f of a, f dash of a. Now we will write that formula. We know that f dash of a f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Okay, so therefore a plus h means what? This value of x, and value of x is 8.95, approximately equal to f of a, so that is f of 9 plus h into f dash of 9. So therefore f of 8.95 is equal to approximately equal to f of 9. Now value of f of 9, that is f of 8, that is 3, plus value of h, value of h is minus 0.05 into f dash of 9, f dash of 9 means f dash of 8, that is 1 by 6. Okay, now simplify it. F of 8.95 is approximately equal to 3 plus, now 6 we have to divide, so it is a minus value we will get, minus, and now 6 divide here 0.0, again what, we can't divide 5 with 6, so it is 0, then 56 9, sorry 6 9s are 54, so 2 will remain, 5 3s are 6 3s are 18. Okay, so 2 will remain, 6 is 18, so 3 will be recurring number, so you will get 0.0093. Therefore simplified f of 8.95 approximately equal to, now subtraction, so subtraction 7, then 0, 9, 9, 2. Okay, so 2.9907, it is the approximate value of f of 8.95. Now what is the function? Root, that is root of 8.95 is 2.9907. Okay, this is required answer. Is it clear how to find approximate value? See the solution. Okay, the next example. Next example, we will take fifth root of 31.98. Now this example will be solved by using log table, we know that, but instead of using log table we will use here derivative. Okay, see how we will use that derivative. So next part, first you have to check the function. So your function is what? Fifth root is a function and 31.98 is a value of x, that will be changed. Okay, so here f of x is equal to fifth root of x, can be written as x raised to 1 by 5. We are doing the simplification to find derivative. Now we will start finding differentiation. So differentiate with respect to x. So we will get f dash of x is equal to, now derivative of x raised to 1 by 5, that is we are going to use x raised to n formula. So 1 by 5 into x raised to 1 by 5 minus 1, that is 1 by 5 into x raised to what? 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5. So you will get 1 upon 5 into x raised to 4 by 5. Okay, is that clear? So simplification, 5 into x raised to 1 by 5 can be written as fifth root, so fifth root of x bracket raised to 4. Okay, we will simplify like that, value of f dash of x. Now once you got derivative, start with given value of x. So let x is equal to 31.98. Now we have to check the 31.98, the value is closest to the which fifth root of number. So it is simple one. 31.98 is closest to the 2. So is it 2 raised to 5 having any number? Sorry, it is 32. So 32 is a fifth root of any other number? Yes or no? Check it. 32 is fifth root of 2. So fifth root of 32 is equal to 2. Okay. So 32 is the closest to the number 31.98, and fifth root of 32 we can easily find out, that is 2. So we will convert this value with a plus h, that is 32 minus. Now 32 minus what? What is the answer for that? 32 minus 0.02. So we will get 31.98. Okay. .98. So here 32 plus minus of 0.02. So here value of a is 32 and value of h is 0.02 minus 0.02. Clear? Now we'll start with finding value of f of a and f dash of a. So first f of a will complete. F of a is equal to f of x is the fifth root of x, so you will get fifth root of a, and value of a is 32, so fifth root of 32, and as we discussed, fifth root of 32 is 2. Similar way, therefore also we are going to find f dash of a is equal to 1 upon 5 into fifth root of a raised to 4 is equal to 1 upon 5 into fifth root of 32 bracket raised to 4, and fifth root of 32 is a 2, so 1 upon 5 into 2 raised to 4, that is 1 upon 5 into 2 raised to 4. What is that 2 raised to 4? 16, and 16 into 5 is 80. This is the value of f dash of a. Okay, now we start with finding value of f of a plus h. So we know that f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So f of 32 plus minus of 0.05 is equal to f of 32 plus h into f dash of 32. Therefore, f of 31.98 is equal to f of 32, that is 2, plus value of h minus 0.02 into, now value of f dash of 32. F dash 30 is what? 1 by 80. Clear? Now simplification. So simplify it properly. So 0.02 divided with 80. What is the answer? Check it again properly. So we will get division 1 minus 0.00025. Okay, so this is a subtraction we have to do from 2. So therefore f of 31.98 is equal to approximately equal to 5799.1. So 1.99975. It is the approximate value of f of 31.98. Okay, see that all the steps how we completed the question. The next question. Now we done with the root. Now we will check with the power. So 4.01 bracket cube. So we have to check the function. So in that function 4.01 is a variable. So function is bracket cube. So we'll write the function f of x is equal to x cube. Now start with differentiation with respect to x. We will get f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. Okay, is it clear? Now we have to start with value of x. So let x is equal to 4.01. Now for 4.01 we are checking a cube. So which cube is the nearest to 4, which we know that is 4 cube. That 4 cube we can easily find out. What is the 4 cube? Is a 64. Yes. So we'll easily know the value of 4 cube. So we'll split this value with a plus h. So a plus h is equal to 4 plus 0.01. Okay. So here we get a is equal to 4 and h is equal to 0.01. Now once you got value of h, start with finding f of a. So f of a is equal to, we have to know, but f of x is a x cube, so f of a is a cube, and value of a is a 4, so it is equal to 4 cube, and 4 cube is 64. Similar way, f dash of a is equal to 3a square. Therefore value of a is 4, so 3 into 4 square, so 3 into 16, and 16 3s are 48. Okay, so we got value of f of a and f dash of a. So let's begin with formula. So we know that f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore f of a plus h, that is 4 plus 0.01 is equal to approximately equal to f of a, that is f of 4 plus h into f dash of 4. So therefore f of 4.01 is equivalent to f of 4. So f of 4 is what? F of a, that is 64, plus h, value of h is 0.01 into f dash of a, that is f dash of 4. F dash of 4 means 48. Okay, so therefore f of 4.01 approximately equal to 64 plus 0.01 into 48. So what is the multiplication? 0.048. Okay, and now add it. We will get value of f of 4.01 approximately equal to 64.048, and which is required solution. You get it? It is a simple one. So there is no problem with the power. Always we are facing a problem with root. But root example, if we check it properly, then there is no problematic case. Okay, so we'll see the next example. Next example is find approximate value of f of x is equal to, now function is given there, x cube minus 3x plus 5. They given a function at x is equal to 1.99. Okay, they given the value of x also. So first, if the function is given, start finding with derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. So we will get f dash of x is equal to d dx of x cube minus 3x plus 5. Now derivative of x cube, simple, is 3x square, minus derivative of 3x, that is 3, and derivative of plus 5 is 0. So value of f dash of x is 3x square minus 3. Okay. Now it is a x cube x square. So value of x is 1.99. So which square we can easily do? That is value of 1.99 is so much closest to the 2. Okay. So let x is equal to 1.99. Therefore a plus h, that is value of x plus h, can be written in a plus h as a 2 minus 0.01. Therefore a plus h is equal to 2 plus minus of 0.01, and hence a is equal to 2 and h is equal to minus 0.01. Okay. So value of a you got. Start with finding f of a. So f of a is a function. So it is a cube minus 3a plus 5. So now f of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 5. So 2 cube is a 8 minus 6 plus 5. So 8 minus 6 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. Similar way, f dash of a. F dash of a is equal to 3a square minus 3. Okay. Now f dash of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3. That is 3 into 4 minus 3. And 12 minus 3 is 9. So f dash of 2 also we got. Now start with writing formula. So we know that f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore f of 2 minus 0.01 approximately equal to f of 2 plus h into f dash of 2. Therefore f of 1.99 approximately equal to f of 2. So what is the f of 2 is a 7 plus value of h minus 0.01 into f dash of 2, that is 9. So f of 1.99 approximately equal to 7 minus 0.09. Multiplication we done. Now we will do the last part, that is subtraction. So we will get 9.6. So 6.91 is the required answer of given question. Please check all the steps properly and write down it in your notebook. Okay. Now we'll check the last example from the approximation of algebraic function, and we'll stop with today's lecture. So approximate question is f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10, and value of x is given that 1.12. Okay. So let's start with finding first derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. So we will get f dash of x is equal to d dx of x cube plus 5x minus 7x plus 10. Start with derivative. So we will get derivative x cube 3x square plus 5 into x square 2x. Derivative of 7x is a 7 and derivative of 10, that is constant term, is 0. So our final value of f dash of x is 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Okay, so here we finish with the derivative. So let's start with value of x. So x is equal to 1.12. Now value of x is so much closest to the 1. Therefore a plus h can be written as 1 plus 0.12. So here a is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.12. Okay, so once value of a you got, start with finding f of a. So f of a is equal to, by function, a cube plus 5a square minus 7a plus 10. So f of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 10. Simplified, 1 plus 5 minus 7 plus 10. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 10 16, and 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, similar way start with finding f dash of a. F dash of a is equal to 3a square plus 10a minus 7. So f dash of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 square 10 into 1 minus 7. So 3 into 1 square is a 3, 10 into 1 is a 10 minus 7, and 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 minus 7 is how much? 13 minus 7, 6. So value of f dash of 1 is 6. So here we got value of f of 1 and f dash of 1. Okay, now start with formula. So we know that f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So f of 1 plus 0.12 approximately equal to f of 1 plus h into f dash of 1. That is f of 1.12 adding there 1.12 approximately equal to f of 1. So what is f of 1? Is 9, and h, value of h, we have 0.12 into f dash of 1 is 6. So f of 1.12 approximately equal to 9 plus 0.12 into 6, that is 0.72. Okay, so therefore f of 1.12 approximately equal to 9.72. Is that clear? See all the steps properly once again. Okay, so see, in today's lecture we finish with the first part, that is derivative of rate of measure, and the next part derivative, application derivative with finding approximate value of function. Okay, in that approximate value of functions we finish with the first type of examples, that is algebraic function. So rest of the types we will check in the next lecture. So today's lecture, if you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask that problem or you can ask that doubt with the message. Okay, and complete the notes properly on day to day, and please attend the lecture day to day. Now from this week your attendance report will be sent to the father, and our government also they required the attendance of the students. So those attendance report will be sent to the both the peoples. Okay, so please attend lecture day to day for all subjects. Thank you.